Today at Loza Kitchen, we are preparing an extremely delicious dynamite fish and chips. Ingredients: we need 1 cod or halibut fish fillet 600 grams cut into 2 centimeter thick strips, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, ale, no alcohol, make sure to keep the gas, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon honey, and 3 teaspoon baking powder. We will also need 3 medium-sized large potato cut into thick strips, half cup mayo, 3 tablespoon sriracha sauce, 3 tablespoon sweet and sour sauce.
We start with preparing the batter. We add flour, honey, fizzy water, garlic powder, baking powder, regular water, and we mix. We add more water and we mix. Now the mixer is ready. We add the salt and pepper. We prepare now the coating. Flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. And we mix. We put it on a side. We prepare now the dynamite sauce. We put the mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, sweet and sour, and we mix. We coat the potato. And we'll fry. We coat the fish.
And finally, we will be drizzling the dynamite sauce over the fried fish and chips.